Hi guys, welcome to the video. We're about to be doing a review on the wooden jigsaw puzzle, 18 months plus, and it's eco-friendly for your little ones.
Yep.
And this is what it looks like.
Yeah, Mike, can you open it right here? Wait, is it hard right here?
So she's about to start opening it.
I'm so excited. Whoa. I think this is hard. Whoa. Whoa, that's hard. So,
Show me the puzzles. Show me everything that's coming.
I'm gonna take all this first step. That's a lot. So, here's like a bag you can keep them in and don't like get them lost, and you can like do that so you can keep them. And so here's a ladybug.
So this is the bag with little owls on it.
Oopsie. Sorry guys.
I love the material. The material is like wool material. And it's real thick.
So here's a ladybug and the airplane. What are these called?
So here's a ladybug. It's blue right here. And it's like red dot. No, not red dots. I mean, the red wings and have dots on the wings. And here's an airplane. Okay, an airplane that has red, yellow, blue, green, orange. And they have windows. And what are these called? Submarine. It has blue, red, green, yellow. And here's a owl that has blue, yellow, orange, brown, blue. Wait, did I say blue? Yeah, I did. And here's a car that has orange, blue, red, dark blue. And that is green. And here's a turtle that has light green and dark green and yellow. So let's get started in opening these. So let's open that turtle. It's right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get it. Wait. Make sure you guys see the puzzle what I'm doing. So I'm gonna move these because I'm gonna do the turtle first. And little ones can like this.
Enjoy playing. The little ones will enjoy playing with it.
Little ones can enjoy playing with these puzzles. And also, you can purchase it on Amazon. It's really fun. I'm so excited. And look, it has like a background. See, it's like he's in the pool, like in the beach. So let's take these off and let's do it. Whoa, look at that. So, so let's start with the head. Okay, it's this way. So here's the head I put on. That's easy because it shows it. So I don't know how to put the circle in, so I'm gonna put it here. Or should I put these first? I'm gonna put these first. Okay. I'm so excited. There we go. Got it. So this is the first one. We should like line them up when I'm like done like with it. Like, I'm gonna put this one right here. It's not gonna like get too much space though. Kiss my head.
Don't make the video too long. I'll let it go over 18 minutes.
Okay.
So when you get to
Show you guys.
16, you say, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And get to 16 minutes. 16.0.
Okay. I'm just so excited. But I don't know why. I love puzzles, but not like those other puzzles. I like these puzzles. Oh, I said puzzles. I mean puzzles. So this is in a box. So here's the airplane. Ooh. With the green on. So let's take them off. Sorry guys. Okay, so I think this. Oh my god, I know where it goes. Okay, that way. Yeah. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, that goes there. This one's kind of hard. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, you have to this first. I'm trying to pin it right. It needs to go in. See? Can't put it in. You gotta really hold on. Whoa. I think that's it. And then, wait. Oh, yeah. That one was hard. This orange one. So, here it is. Sorry, guys. I'm still doing it. I don't know why. So, here it is. Oh, my God. Okay, now this doesn't fit. Are you kidding me? I don't like this. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna line them up. That's what we're gonna do. And like do that. So we can like do them. So I'm still doing it. Are you kidding me? So now for a light bug. Okay. Whoopie spell. Whoopie. I'm still doing it. Are you kidding me? So. Here's the ladybug. Are you kidding me? I'm still doing it. There's not gonna be more space, so I need to move this more to the tip because it's more. Just take them off. Okay. They're empty. So the little legs and ears. So I'm gonna put some eyes. Sorry guys, I was talking to my brother. So got the eyes. Wait. Keep on coming out. Okay. 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 Just trying to put it together. Woo, I did it.
You don't have to do all the pencils.
I want to make sure they see them, what I did. Just to my left. I'm just so excited. What? I know why. You guys, see, I know you're gonna, like, I don't have my glasses, so, I don't have my glasses.
My glasses got a boo-boo on my eye.
Can't see it though. Got boo on my eye. My glasses broke, so when I go with mommy somewhere, I have to put the sunglasses on. I just keep them on, and the car too. So yeah. Empty. Wow, it's actually empty than a ladybug. Okay. You guys can see what I'm doing. So, okay. This right here. There we go. Did it. Okay, make sure I don't make this turtle fall because I want to show you guys. And I'm going to show you guys how you put them in there and don't make them fall out. So, yeah. I'm still doing it. I don't even know. I'm super, super, super excited. I don't know how many times I've said that. Okay. Here's the owl. It has like a background too. Like the turtle. There it is. The owl have like pretty colors. I love the face color. So, you see, the background is so beautiful. It's like a, what was that called was? I forgot. So, yep. Rachel, you need to start making noises. Oh my god. It needs to stop. So, pretty get a feet. Feet. Sorry guys, again. Feet doesn't even really fit, so, wow. I'm trying to put the feet, okay, feet. So here it is, so pretty. So I'm gonna put that one right there. You can't see the head. So, here's a submarine. Comment down below. You got these? And tell us if yours is different or the same. Probably yours is not different. The garbage. So here's a submarine. It has a background too.
This fall is gonna make a lot of noise.
This, so, all the pieces. Okay, here's a submarine. I'll just put it right here. Oh. No, it's gone. So weird. The body part, the bottom part, the bottom part. Oh. I'm back. Sorry, guys. So, get that piece. So, a bit this thing. I don't know what is that. So, here's a submarine. So now I'm gonna show you guys to put them in. Probably you wanna take these pieces off, put them in there first. And then you keep on putting the little pieces in first. All of the so you gotta put. It's really heavy, these little pieces. Seriously, it is. And now, you want to put these in. I put the little pieces in first. It is heavy. And I'm going to put these in. Get it. See if it. That's how you put it in. And you see these right here. Just do that. And you got it. And you don't want to lose them, so that's why they have a bag. And it's like tiny pieces. It's so heavy, Mommy. And I like this bag. So.
Hi guys. Well, so hope y'all enjoy.